What's really good? What's the word out there? It's the chief, ATHUG of Black Rolling Stones. And today, I just wanted to feel with y'all again. You feel me? Like I just had the vibe. Cause right now, in these days of time, I feel like, yo, it's amazing to really, truly, sincerely, you know what I'm saying? No gas, no fluff. You know what I'm saying? I'm by myself. When you by yourself, you feel me, with nobody else, are you really feeling yourself? You know what I'm saying? Like, for real, man. And right now, man, like the process, my refining process of who I am and to come and what's to come, you know what I'm saying? And what's been done, like, family, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my mentality. I'm feeling my hustle. I'm feeling my sovereignty. And I'm feeling my grind. I'm feeling my higher self. You dig what I'm saying? That's deep. You know what I mean? Like it's like you know, we come a long way. You dig what I'm saying? And this shit don't really happen overnight. You know what I'm saying? It really doesn't. You gotta put in work, discipline, faith. You know what I'm saying? When nobody's there, nobody believe in you, nobody there to push you. Guess who's there to push you? You gonna push you. You gonna study that. You gonna learn that. You gonna do what it takes to learn that. You know what I'm saying? To get that done. You feel me? Because that's where the sovereignty comes in. You know what I'm saying? There's nobody to really run to. You got to figure it out yourself. You know what I'm saying? Even with all of this stuff going on, sometimes you be like, damn, you trying to push save everybody, trying to help people. You know what I'm saying? But they actually outweighing you down. They testing your family, your different people that you got love for is the main ones that's going to be pulling you back, taking you off course, throwing monkey wrenches in the game, not going with the flow when it's supposed to be. Yeah. So, like I was saying, for the 1,444,000 others alike out there on their alignment with the Most High, doing their God's work, putting it in, not waiting for nobody to come save them. You know what I'm saying? Not with the religious jargon. They really actually, ye are gods in the flesh down here, putting in the work, and on their tribe, on they set, healing. You know what I'm saying? Mentally, physically, you know what I'm saying? And all, as financially, all different aspects. You feel what I'm saying? We could only first you gotta elevate self to be able to even help your community, your family, whoever that is. You already know that. But what we saying is, the trick is you gotta watch the people that's close to you, including family, friends, loved ones, children, etc. Because these are the people that the lower frequency, the energy, if they're not up to par, could almost like tap into them just to get to you. You dig what I'm saying? Because you were chosen one. That's why you're going through the trial and tribulation. You have to be able to master the whole chessboard, bro. You feel me? Now, I just want to say, B, this shit is real. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I don't be coming up with these stories just for, this is real for the, like, I feel like what I share is mad people that go with the same thing. But guess what? They might not have time to share it. They might not have the, you know what I'm saying? But then when they see me, they're like, damn, bro, I'm going through the same thing in my aspect of my matter. Not, it could be identical. It could be similar. You feel what I'm saying? So the moral of the story is, like, when it all boils down to motivating myself, it came from me. It came from my creator. All right, yo, let me finish this up. You know what I mean? So for the chosen ones, you gotta practice patience. You know what I'm saying? You gotta stay on your due diligence. You know what I'm saying? You can't allow anger, confusion, and misunderstanding of others to, you know what I'm saying, take you off course. You gotta stay centered because you are the greatest. You feel me? So, one thing on my journey, I've been doing this for a while, and I always gotta say, you could get motivation through people if you know how to really pull it. But at the end of the day, this journey is a lonely journey. You know what I'm saying? And when you look back, it ain't too many people pushing you. You know what I'm saying? I had to push myself. You know what I'm saying? I had to believe in my vision when nobody believed in it. When people You know what I'm saying? Even though I hire people, I have people come, you know what I'm saying, do different services for me, etc. And I'm grateful for all of that. At the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? Believe me, like, understand that you the center force. Don't ever look outside yourself, you know what I'm saying? For that clarity, for that, you know what I'm saying, that motivation, because trust me, you know, that comes from the Almighty, our Creator, you know what I'm saying? Speaking your life, speaking and manifesting it into fruition, you know what I'm saying? Meaning my music, the clothing line, the water, the smoothies, the health and wealth, you know what I'm saying? The movement, you dig what I'm saying? The business, the legacy, you know what I'm saying? With no major sponsors, no big cosigns, and no shortcuts, you feel me? Just straight, it is what it is, you feel me? You could see it. So it's just faith, consistency, and blood, sweat, and tears. You know what I'm saying? Straight sacrificing, you know what I'm saying? Knowing to play for the big win, not little small wins or material things. You dig what I'm saying? People always want to put you in a box. You dig what I'm saying? Don't let them do that. You know what I'm saying? Always get yourself out of the box. You know what I'm saying? Be spontaneous, authentic, where they don't know what's coming next. You dig what I'm saying? And they always gonna try to compare you, you know what I'm saying? Because they want to label you. But you gotta remember, I'm one of one, baby. The only one. Enjoy it. Engage with it. Come out, you know what I'm saying? Because we immortal. It's gonna last forever. You know what I'm saying? Even when I'm gone, it's gonna be still here. You do what I'm saying? The legacy is gonna live on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. You know what I'm saying? So there will never be another. There might be a little similarities. I know I inspire people in other ways, and people also inspire me. You do what I'm saying? But when you truly authentic, your energy can't be duplicated. That's why I don't fit in, and that's why I'm not supposed to. That's why you're not supposed to. You have to create. You have to innovate. You have to set the trends. You can't follow. You know what I'm saying? The way you think, the way you move, the way you dress, the way you build, the way you love, the way you lead, all that, it's authentic, original, you know what I'm saying? That's real fucking freedom. So today I encourage everybody to raise your frequency, protect your peace, and stay disciplined out there. You dig what I'm saying? Work hard, play hard. Black on the Stones, you already know. Go get that Rap God album, that Underground King album. You know what I'm saying? Add that to your playlist. You already know.